Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up a Webflow Autoblog using AI agent, basically being able to create high quality content and to publish it automatically on your Webflow blog. When I'm talking about high quality article, it's not just publishing content on your website. This is publishing content that will rank, content that Google will like and will recommend to the people that are looking for this subject on Google, potential customer of you that are going to look for the specific topic before potentially buying some product or contacting you for some services, etc. You can look at this kind of content that has been fully automatically generated by AI. About curcumin, we can see the key takeaway, we can see the internal link, we can see some interesting table, we can see more internal link, we can see image, very interesting related keywords, information. It's very rich article with a lot of dense information. And this article has been autonomously written by the AI agent. It did the research, it did the writing, it generated the image, it connected with the internal page of the website, it formats the HTML of this article and prepare the article to be published on your Webflow website automatically. So how is it working? How can we publish this kind of content automatically on our Webflow website? It's very easy. There is two aspects. First, we need to ask the AI to write about the specific topic that we want to cover on our website. And then we need to connect Vium.ai, integrate Vium.ai with Webflow. So I'm going to show you those two simple steps. So the first step is to generate some topic IDs. Basically, we are asking the AI agent to give us some interesting topic that we can cover for our website, for our niche. So here I'm asking vitamin D, for example, to follow up with the example of the food supplement niche. Of course, you can ask whatever you want. The AI agent is going to suggest you some interesting topic that you should cover. Now I can go to topic IDs and I can see that the AI suggested me some interesting article that we could write on this specific topic. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the keywords here and select the good keywords that are good for my niche. So dosage, food supplement, deficiency, very good, and benefits. Okay, I'm going to just take those 4 articles, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to ask the AI to write those articles. I'm not going to go too much into detail, but all the articles, we can customize the kind of content that we want. We can, for example, select the language, the target country, we can change the tone of voice, we can change the formatting, the number of words that we want, the internal and external link, the AI image that we want to add inside this article. We can add also YouTube video. For this specific example, I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to use the default parameter and just click on Write with AI, and the AI will start writing, do the research and writing those articles. So this is the first step. The second step is to go into integration and to go to Webflow, and we want to connect Webflow with Vium.ai. So I'm going to just click here, and now going to the second step that is a bit more technical, but it's still very easy. I'm going to show you. So to connect Webflow with Vium.ai, we need to get our API access token. So I'm going to show you how to do so. So basically there is my website here that I created. It's a demo website. So I'm going to go here in the website and I'm going to go in apps and integration. I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to API access. I'm going to generate a new API token. So I'm here on this view to generate an API token. I'm just going to write Vium AI. This is not very important, but what is important is to get the right and read option on all those permissions. So I'm going to set up all the permission up and I'm going to generate my token. The token is there. I'm going to copy paste it. And so now I'm back on Vium.ai. I'm just going to simply paste my token here. I'm going to write Webflow website here. And I'm going to copy paste the address of my Webflow. It's here. And I'm going to copy paste the URL of my Webflow website here. And I'm going to connect. So the integration is done. It was very fast. All the permissions have been checked, and now we can see that the integration to Webflow is activated. So now I can go back to my content writer AI agent. I can see that my articles are published. Here I can even delete those topics that are not interesting to me. And now I have all my articles that are ready. And we can, for example, see one article. Let's see the quality of this article. So here, it's an article about the choice between vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. So interesting. We have some comparative table. We have some image. We have some more comparative table. Okay, so interesting article. Since I didn't change my setting, this is around 1000 word, but still good article. We can see that there is a lot of interesting keywords. We can see that it brings a lot of information and it has a high potential of ranking on Google. So perfect. So what I can do right now is that if I'm happy with this article and I want to publish it, I can just click here on this button. And now you can see that, oh, I made a little mistake on the name of the integration, but I can see that I have my Webflow website and I can just publish it in one click and the article will be directly optimized and published on my Webflow blog. But also the nice part of this is to be able to plan the whole content strategy for this blog for the whole month, for example, or even for the year. If we want to write and plan everything in advance, we can do it. Basically, what I can do, I can select all here, for example, and I'm going to click on this button. I'm going to plan them. I'm going to select my integration. I'm going to publish, let's say, I want to publish one article every 2 days. Okay. So I will publish those 5 articles every 2 days on my website automatically. I'm planning, I can go to my content calendar now, and I can see that my articles are here. One article every 2 days. And I can even move those articles. For example, if I don't want to publish on Saturday, I can just move, drag and drop, and the article will be published at the time that is set in the calendar. So I think you got the point. Here it's a very little and short demo for you to understand how to connect Webflow with Zoom.ai, but you can plan much more content. Basically, you can keep asking the AI agent to give you some content ID. You can even send the AI agent your list of keywords. It will write all those articles, do the research, write the article, generate the image, generate very high quality content. And then you can just send everything to the content planner and plan your content strategy for the whole month, for 2 or 3 months even. There is no limits, basically. And what is good is that you don't need to have the website running. You can just close this website, come back in 2 months. It will have done the job, basically. So extremely powerful tool that really able to generate high quality content and publish it totally automatically. If you want to give it a try, go to Vium.ai. There is a free article so you can practice a bit with the tool. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and talk to you soon. Bye.